New input. Alright, we should be okay now. Mic test, mic test. I'm not gonna wait. I know we're good. Okay. So today is, what is today? August 23rd, 2019. Forex market analysis. We'll start with the euro. And I need to redraw my euro chart. So let's do that real quick. Come on, why is this in my way? Let's see here. We had this wedge down. Kind of popped above a few times. And the euro's just been wedging forever. It's just wedge, 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 wedge. Broke out, and then we had this head and shoulders here that broke lower. And then we kind of had this bottom here. And it never touched this bottom. And look what happened today. We had this massive engulfing candle today. So, you tell me. I guess it's going higher. I guess it's going higher. Now, the thing to note is, this is a breakout pullback. So, okay, you know, it's we had this breakout, broke out of this little channel here we had, pulled back, and we got a range here sideways. Price broke higher today. Engulfing candle, where it's going, and it beats me. Beats me. Yeah. Thinking here. Excuse me. I mean, I'm trying to think, like, if you did want to take a position on this, based on a breakout pullback with the engulfing candle, the thing is, that candle is massive. Like, trying to get long on this, yeah, you can maybe take a trade like that. I just don't trust it. Honestly, it's not a position I want to take. I was hoping it would retest that low again, but I don't know. I don't know. Not touching it. I need to move this. Hang on one second. Okay. Australian dollar, US dollar. It's at this low here. It's been in a triangle, at least on a lower time frame here. Yeah, it broke out of this breakout pullback. It's the 15-minute show here. Yeah, okay. It's pretty ugly. I would bet it's going to test this low, so that's something to keep your eye on. That would be my guess. Yeah, definitely. Definitely coming back down here to test that low. Okay. British pound, US dollar. We have this Dow trend here. It's not perfect, but I mean, if you really wanted to, you could do this and draw another trend line here. There we go. Alright. What's happening here? So, we had this. We had an inverted head and shoulders. Kind of started triangling here. Price broke out yesterday morning. And it's been moving up now since. Main thing is these two trend lines. These will decide where it's going. I personally, well, let's take a look. I mean, this lines up. If you take the bottom of this head and you take it to the base, which is what you do with head and shoulders patterns, you line it up to the breakout point here. This takes us right to that trend line. So honestly, if it doesn't break it, it's coming back down and retesting this low, and that's what I hope for. So I pray for that. Um, okay. U.S. dollar, Japanese yen. Sorry, let me clean this up because I have all these fucking autistic, schizophrenic drawings from intraday trading. Okay, here. All right, so um, wait for the U.S. for this to come down and retest this low. That's what I'm waiting for next. That'll decide what happens here. And it's pretty diverged. There's a pretty big RSI divergence, so there should be a really good long setup here. And all you really need to watch out for on this is see, that was a breakout pullback of this little trend channel here. Price broke out, pulled back all the way down here, and now it's retesting this low again. And this is a big time low. Like if this thing breaks, which it might, because look at this. We kind of have this descending triangle formation here. And you could say, oh, we also have this triangle. Okay, fair enough. But it's kind of descending. We have price moved here, caught support, price moved here, caught support, price moved here, hit that trend line again. That's descending triangle for sure, 100%. So something to keep your eye on. I mean, if we'll see. I'm not going to put too many conclusions here, but okay. Now the U.S. dollar Swiss franc, I had a long trade on that I closed out of early at about a $15 loss because look at that candle, massive engulfing candle. And honestly, it wasn't that great of a setup. I took it on this double bottom and I took it off this engulfing candle here. Just didn't fare too well. What do we see here? I don't know. I really don't know what we see here. I don't know. Let's go to the weekly because this chart's not really drawn out. All right, we're wedging here. I need to move this. We're wedging here. Thank you, Space Cadet. We're wedging here. We have this wedge, right? This is a weekly. And we got another wedge here. Okay. So what happened? What happened here? Well, price broke out of both wedges. We had a pullback here. And honestly, this was a good short opportunity. And I didn't take one. But anyway. And yeah, I mean, I'd bet on price going lower here. This is a consolidation sideways, in my opinion. Maybe something like this could be forming. We'll see. But I'd bet on this is the next base to watch for. Next support line. Breaks this, get short. Because it's heading lower. A lot lower. God damn, that's good. Okay. Very nice to see. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar looks like it's going to catch a bottom here. Hopefully. This is a key reversal area to watch. So keep your eyes on that. What the hell happened here? Australian dollar, Swiss franc. How come it shows a buy and a stop? Oh, I'm retarded. I am dumb. Okay. Right. I took this setup on the weekly. I'm not in it yet. It's still sitting here, my order to get in. But yeah, I'm long term. I guess I'm long. I'm long in this position. Yeah, I know I'm long. I don't think I'm not guessing I am. But short term, I may actually be able. I thought I wouldn't be able to get in on a daily candle. I thought I was gonna have to trade it on the weekly, but now it looks like it's gonna come back and retest this low, and it's really diverged. I mean, this thing's going to really diverge. So I'll probably get in lower then, and I won't have to take it on the weekly. Australian dollar, offshore Chinese yuan. Um, yeah, it's an ugly looking chart. It's so ugly. Fuck me. Okay, what is this drawing? What do we see here? Even I don't like what. All right, let's just call it a range because this drawing's just ugly. All right, we're ranging sideways here, consolidating from this move down, and we've been here for a while. So, excuse me, I'm burping like mad. And it's interesting here. The flash crash was a breakout pullback on this trend line. Anyway, all right, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Very nice. This is exactly what I want to see. Now the thing is, if this does bottom here, you do take it, and I do take a position, you have to be aware of this trend line. That's the main thing. Because I mean, this is massive support. I mean, this is last time price was this low was what, 2016, and before that it was what, 2011, 2010, and then it hit a low of after '08. It hit a low of 55. Wow. So that's what I look for. What's going on here? This thing's really choppy. I don't think I'll ever take a trade on this because the spread is 200, but oh my god, I'm flush. Okay. Take a sip of my weak coffee here. Made it very weak. I just wanted something warm to drink. Okay. You know what? Why am I looking at it? There's nothing there. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Had this triangle. What did I do? Oh, you know what happened? I was on this. I was in this yesterday. That's funny. And I got out here at like $30 or something. I made $30. And today, wow, look at that. Holy shit. Wait, no, this can't be right. Maybe it wasn't this. It must have been another pair. I don't know why this looks so familiar though. Anyway, whatever. This is a double. This is I don't want to call it a double bottom, but this is a massive RSI divergence, massive engulfing candle, and they're gonna fade this breakout lower. So price is heading higher, in my opinion. I have a long position on this. Oh, you know what? That was the weekly. I'm dumb. I'm dummy. Never mind. I didn't have a position on this. There was another pair that looked like that, and it was on the daily. Okay. Oof, okay, we're a little off here today. I was still on the weekly. How many charts did I look at on the weekly? Whatever. Don't matter. Guess we need some B vitamins. Guess we shouldn't be drinking the coffee. Eat some sardines. Okay. Wedge broke out. We had a pullback here. Price went higher. It's probably going to pull back more. We also had this bottom here. Our side divergence looks like was intact, maybe. Wasn't a really good setup. Okay. Australian dollar, Polish zloty. We have a trade on. I got long here. On this RSI divergence, I guess it was. I can't really tell. I remember going through it and saying it was. It's catching resistance right here. It is catching resistance right here. I need it to break out. And I'm pretty confident it will. But for the time being, it's just retracing a bit. Yeah. So we'll see. Australian dollar, Singapore dollar. We have this very long-term wedge down. It really started wedging here. Just wedge. Look for support here. Or here. If it comes down and retests this, which I think it probably will. Bitcoin's kind of triangling a little bit. I expect it to go lower though. There's another bubble. Another bubble. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, ignore this trend line. I just kind of guessed it. So, okay. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Oh. Canadian dollar, Norwegian krone is beginning to form a head and shoulders. It still hasn't finished the head, but we have. This is black. Oh no, it's not. Okay, good. We don't. Finish this head. It's still got to finish the right shoulder too, but I'm pretty confident that's what it's beginning to form. That is that's all-time high, so that's a top. That is a top, and it's diverged to complete shit on the weekly. So yeah, look for a head and shoulders pattern here. And on the 4-hour, it's like whoa. Do we even have that? I don't know. Look for price to go lower, bare minimum. Canadian dollar, Polish zloty. I don't know. I'm looking for a pullback here, which we didn't get. I don't know why it's highlighted. I don't know. Okay, what do we have here? Head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Swiss franc, Norwegian krone. Are we at all-time highs? No. But we're at all-time highs since 2015. Let's go down to the 4-hour. We can dissect this. Yeah. Here's our left shoulder. Here's our head. Here's our right shoulder. Yeah. So honestly, I'm looking for a retracement down to here, bare minimum. It's due, and then it'll retest that high again probably. And that'll fit into the Elliott wave move here with our impulse wave retracement. Where is that? Elliott impulse wave. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Nice top on the 5th wave. That's what we're hoping for. Man, that's good. Wow. Okay, that's really diverged. Breaking lower. Should catch support here. If it doesn't, it's got a long way to go. That's scary. It should catch support here, though. We'll see, I guess. DXY. Euro odd. We have a long position on. We're just trying to catch this move up. Yeah. I expect it to retest this high again. That's it. I don't know why it won't load, but yeah. Yeah. Euro CAD. Nothing going on here. Golfing. That's coming up to retest that high again, it looks like. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, wow, look at that. We had Descending triangle, not exactly perfect. I mean, we didn't get a third, we didn't get a really good consolidation here, but it broke higher. And the main thing is you should be watching. I don't think we're going to get it, but you could watch for a retracement to that line. But it's probably going to retest this high. Excuse me. And that's all-time high. So yeah, expect to get short at this all-time high. What else do we got? MXN. That's really diverged. Should be topping, but it's not. Euro Norwegian krone. Interesting how that looks a lot different on the 4-hour. This is actually, wow, I need to get short here. Hang on. I had a note. What did I write here? Watch for a short opportunity on the 4-hour. And here it is. Do you want to delete? Yes. Okay, how do you go down? Because I don't want to dox myself here. Go down. Okay. Yeah, we're going to get short. We're going to get short here. Short position. Okay. Because this is a descending triangle. This is the third touch of this trend line down. You can see it's so we should get a break soon. Sell. 485. 2457. 2457. Take a 2%. Sell. Cool. Very cool. God, that looks so much different compared to what, like what? That's not right. I don't know. Okay. Oh, and the other thing is at all-time high, so that's why I'm looking for that there. Okay, Euro New Zealand dollar. Wait for it to test that high. Euro PLN, Euro RON, ruble. Ruble's head and shoulders. Euro ZAR. Ooh. 600. The spread is 6. Oh my god, it's Friday. I'm so dumb. It's Friday. Wow. Okay. Okay, that's embarrassing. That is embarrassing. Okay, we're just gonna skim through these because who the hell's gonna watch this on a Friday? Oh, Hong Kong dollar, Japanese yen, testing that low. Inverted head and shoulders here, maybe. No, okay. That's a good looking setup. Watch for that. That's another good looking setup, but nope, doesn't have it yet. US dollar, Hungarian forint. Look at that one. That's yummy. RSI divergence. That's a nice setup. 333. That's a good looking setup. Something to keep your eye on. Okay. I have a short position here, double top, double top here, and then a double top here too. And this is, I don't know, very awkward head and shoulders possibly. Head, left shoulder, head, and it's forming the right shoulder now. I broke this, nice. Expect that to, can I even trade this? Thai bot? I guess so. Expect that to retest that low. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching my Friday close market Forex market analysis.